Want to eat smarter and lower your blood pressure? These 15 foods boost brain power, support your heart, and sharpen focus, memory, and clarity. No fluff, just facts. Let's ruminate. Number 1. Blueberries. Antioxidants protect your brain and lower pressure. Number 2. Walnuts. Omega-3s reduce inflammation, support brain cells, and boost memory. Number 3. Salmon. DHA-rich fish that fuels focus. Number 4. Turmeric. Curcumin lifts mood, clears fog, and supports vessels. Number 5. Broccoli. Vitamin K and antioxidants keep your neurons sharp. Number 6. Pumpkin seeds. Zinc and magnesium calm mood and regulate pressure. Number 7. Dark chocolate, 70% plus. Flavonoids boost brain blood flow and focus. Number 8. Eggs. Choline builds memory pathways and fires neurotransmitters. Number 9. Green tea. L-theanine calms, caffeine sharpens focus, aids pressure. Number 10. Avocados. Potassium and good fats fuel cognition and relax vessels. Number 11. Oranges. Vitamin C fights oxidative stress in brain and vessels. Number 12. Beets. Nitrates improve brain and heart blood flow. Number 13. Spinach. Folate and magnesium support calm, clear thinking. Number 14. Lentils. Folate and iron boost mental energy and blood health. Number 15. Dark leafy greens. Vitamins A, C, E, K, all slow cognitive decline. Eat with intention. Every bite moves you toward a clearer mind and healthier heart.
Ruminate. The space between thought and transformation.